Recently, we stayed at Beach Club Doganay Hotel in Alanya, Turkey. This is the main swimming pool, and this is us enjoying ourselves by the swimming pool. As you can see, I'm quite bored. Let's go check out those water slides. Just a short trip up the stairs and you have 3 slides to choose from. And whilst these slides aren't the biggest or best water slides in the world, they're a good bit of fun for the kids and adults alike. Next up is the so-called kamikaze pink slide.
Cold. What about you do this pollution? I'm standing here and being warm.
I don't like that idea.
Strangely enough, Asha won the argument and off I went. Last but not least was the double trouble. This was both of our favourite slide. Watch out for that bump in the middle. You can catch some serious airtime for that thing and we were not expecting it. Then Asha got cold, but we had completed all of the slides. If you want to see more of the hotel, then you can click here. Oh, and whilst you're in Turkey, don't forget to visit Land of Legends. Our Land of Legends theme park tour video you can find in the description. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.